Nadeem Malik. I'm a Director of Enterprise Business for Huawei Technologies. Previously, my business with one of the largest SI Infotech, and I've been in IT industry for the last 20 years, specifically in Pakistan and the region. Huawei has just recently launched worldwide its enterprise business. Most of the people who know Huawei know from its telecom infrastructure. Top 45 out of 50 telecom operators worldwide are on Huawei infrastructure. And Huawei has been present in Pakistan for the last 13 years. And again, like I said earlier, best known for its telecom. But Huawei recently launched for its IT product, focus on enterprise business, because Huawei strongly believe they can play a very important role in transformation of ICT revolution. I think if you feel like IT and CT has sort of a time there was the two separate domains considered. Telecom is considered a separate domain and IT is considered a separate domain, and enterprise business want to have all those IT infrastructure so they can make their business more efficient and effective. And CT, communication technology, was limited to how the voice can be more independent. For example, moving from fixed line to mobile phone. But now the transformation is sort of dimmed out. Now we call it truly ICT. Let me give you an example. If you are on a cell phone, your cell phone utilization or choosing the cell phone is go beyond the voice call. You want to have internet. You want to have applications. You want to connect to your business. You want to do Facebook, social media. So your cell phone is no more communication technology anymore. It's more like also controlling your IT infrastructure or moving to the information technology. So that merger is already happened or is going to take much more shape. And Huawei feel that their strategy is very simple. They say pipe, which is communication technology, which is held by most of the operators, and their cloud. Most of the technology guys, companies who are enterprise on technology infrastructure, they will be moving to the cloud, whether it's a private cloud or whether it's a public cloud. And the consumer would like to have more and more powerful handheld devices. We see the evolution of smartphones to tablets, and that's the future. So Huawei offer end-to-end solutioning from telecom infrastructure, which is more like communication, and also the IT infrastructure, which is more consists of your computing power, hardware, your servers, your storage, your cloud infrastructure, your security, your routing, switching, your telepresence, your video conferencing solution, to also to smartphone and tablets. So Huawei is offering complete end-to-end solution. That's what say we are driving the transformation from IT and CT to different domain to ICT in one domain. I feel that industry so far has seen the phase one of IT revolution or CT revolution. When this conversion happen, or this conversion is going to be ongoing, and when this whole things clear up as an ICT, a lot of industry is going to get direct benefit towards it. Telcos, who are the prime customer to Huawei for its telecom infrastructure, are moving into the new line of streams. For example, they are offering data networks like GPRS, and then the 3G is right on the horizon in this country, and they're also moving into the microfinancing. We have seen the telcos using those infrastructure to have money transfer. So that was never been thought before. A telecom company would enter into those kind of microfinancing field. We will also very soon, you'll be seeing the large telecom operators will be offering public cloud offerings. Rather than small enterprise have their own IT infrastructure, maintaining it, power issues and all those challenges they go through, they will eliminate those challenges and move their IT infrastructure or application on public cloud on any telecom infrastructure. So these are the new line of revenues coming for telecom. And similar, if you look at another biggest industry in Pakistan, the financial industry. Financial industry also looking towards various channels where they can go to their customers. They want to expand, say, banking customer, non-banking customers. And similar, like example I gave you for telco, their non-banked customer can use those microfinance facilities through telcos, and they can be grabbed. So I think everybody has an opportunity to expand the customer base and provide a better services to the customer if they go on the new route, which is communication technology is enabling the IT, and IT is enabling communication technology. Biggest resource in Pakistan, beside the natural resources available, which is vast quantity in this country, I think the biggest resource is available is in HR for us. If you look at the numbers, I think we have the highest number of the youngster in this region, and they are all very capable, very skilled. All they need to be given a proper environment and also proper patronage. Huawei has over 1,000 direct employees, and out of those 1,000 employees, over 1,000 employees, so over 700 employees are Pakistanis. That's why Huawei calls itself a local Pakistani companies. Our Chinese staff is between 250 to 300, and to be very honest, in my own personal experience, I call them, you guys are more Pakistani than us. They love our food, they like the way we live, and there's such a coordinated environment, you hardly feel if there's any cultural or language barriers. People are such an integrated environment exists in this company. We always take a pride, this is nothing but a Pakistani company. So Huawei also has contributed greatly in this country for the education where HR development is. A couple of years ago, we established a telecom center in the University of Engineering and Technology with investment over $3 million. And then we committed another $2 million to upgrade this lab to 3G and LTE, which is 4G equivalent. And really recently, we signed them our first authorized learning network partner, where we have donated another $500,000 equipment to establish a data lab where people will be trained, certified, and we also have conducted extensive training of trainers, not only in Pakistan, but also we take them to the China, our headquarters as well. During this IGCN, we have announced a similar setup for NET. And next quarter, we're going to announce another education institute will be signing up the same thing, and we'll be investing in their infrastructure, investment and training of the HR, because we strongly feel this HR is going to not only reap benefit for this country, but also for Huawei as well. Enterprise business very recently launched out of China. They rolled out a worldwide market. The very first challenge we also encouraging is our partner ecosystem. Huawei has been in direct model in telco, but in enterprise market, we are very focused to have our partner channel development, and partner channel development not we only create new jobs, but also bring in more revenue for our partners and also can grow them to our portfolio. In very short span since our launch, I think we have a very great interest from a lot of organizations who have shown the interest to go on Huawei infrastructure or use our solutions. Previously, before the launch, we have done one of the biggest projects we signed is with Higher Education Commission. There are 2 projects which connecting 42 universities on fiber is all on Huawei equipment. And very recently, we are signing another contract with HEC with the help of our partner Vateen, where 100 universities will be connected on fiber optics. And when those 100 universities, in addition to 42 universities, are connected, I think education it will be great benefit to all those universities who are in far-fetched areas, and they'll be greatly helpful not only the HEC's program like digital libraries and all those automated journals, and also the lecture delivery which HEC conduct from what you call better or top-rated universities to the students who are in far-fetched universities also will feel the same kind of privilege. So I think that's also we take a lot of pride in those. And also Huawei's network fiber has been, or these enterprise business has been used by Pakistan the forces. It's also we've been using that, and very soon we're going to see very successful stories in Pakistan. We have already in the pipeline. Challenges we all know we're facing some natural disasters, and that drives down the attention span of our government, take away the funding towards those things, which is obviously coming. We all feel sad about it. We would like to contribute towards it. The challenges come from infrastructure development. I think focus in next few years seem like the government policy and focus is more on infrastructure development rather than technology development. But that does not say that opportunities are not there. This is one of the challenges we have to get. The solution is so attractive, so cost effective, so much its return is so visible, so the investment does not really become as a challenge towards it. Also, Huawei not only offer those solutions which all covers, they're cost effective, they have very fast ROI, but they are what you call energy effective. We have a solution available for the large organization like banks or call centers. We are replacing the desktop infrastructure, which is very high on energy demand, replacing it to the virtual desktop infrastructure, which is very low. It's just like taking out those old bulbs and putting energy savers in it to bring a lot of benefits. We call it a green company, so that's another contribution towards we see it. A lot of enterprise business which has not opted for technology earlier, and they would like to go towards that route. Understanding them, the new phase, which we call cloud, will be a little challenging. We have to do a lot of education towards them. Even the large customers who've been used to some technology which they grew up, transformation is always has its own engraved challenges. But Huawei is here for the long term. We are here for the full commitment, and our commitment is need no elaboration. Being here for 13 years and being proudly as local company, I think that's something which shows many things that how long-term commitments is going to be. Huawei is organizing and sponsoring a lot of events worldwide this year, and it's going to be continuing for a while because we are bringing a lot of solutions. And these are the platforms like ITCN or GTEx offer the platforms where we can get a lot of customers, a lot of partners. We can share our thoughts, we can learn from each other, we can show what exactly our offerings are. And these very events like that, GTEx, we are platinum sponsor this year. And along with, we have other last week of October, we are holding Innovation Conference in Shanghai. First week of November, there's a cloud conference. There's another cloud conference coming in Abu Dhabi following that quarter. And there's multiple calendars I can share with you. But our GTEx plan is we are taking a lot of customers from not only from Pakistan but on the region, and we're showing our technologies on hand and sharing the thoughts. And of course, we are very much open to listen to our partners, our customers, and what kind of solution, what kind of integration, and how we can help them to improve their business, to get more benefit, and of course, the quick one as well for them, and how they see Huawei as well.